A number of you have told me that the metaphor I suggested to you several weeks ago about deconstructing a house and reconstructing a boat, that metaphor was really helpful. So today's Engaged Spiritual Depth explores that metaphor a little bit further and invites you to some ways to use the metaphor to further your own thinking about who you are and what you're doing. So let me invite you to play with that metaphor a little bit, because you're not reconstructing any old kind of boat. There are a lot of very different kinds of boats. There are houseboats that are almost like reconstructing a house. They're no good in any kind of heavy water or weather. They are designed and built to sit in a harbor and stay safe. Or the sport version of a houseboat is designed for still, flat water. On the other hand, there are boats that are designed for heavy weather. There are boats designed for racing. There are boats designed to haul large numbers of people. There are boats designed to take just one person and to go really crazy places. There are boats designed to stretch the limits and boats designed to bring folks along with you. What kind of faith boat are you reconstructing? Are you reconstructing a boat that is going to stay put? Or are you reconstructing a boat that's designed to explore and go places? Are you reconstructing a boat that carries only you? Or are you reconstructing a faith boat that can bring many people different from each other along with you? And have you pondered the possibility many kinds of boats can be reconstructed while they're on the water? As I was looking for pictures for this video, I discovered Sailboat Magazine has a regular article, fascinating article about how to repair major problems while you're 1,000 miles from port. So have you thought about the ways in which your faith boat might be constructed and reconstructed while it's under sail or under power or in the middle of the ocean? And how would you construct it differently with that metaphor in mind? How would what you expect of yourself change with that understanding in mind? I invite you to play with the metaphor that invites you to growth and to taking authority in the constructing and reconstructing of your own faith.